In this problem, we have two logarithms, and the question is to write this as a single logarithm whose coefficient is 1. So we basically want to combine the logs. So the rule we're going to use here mainly is something called the quotient rule. However, the quotient rule looks like this. It says if you have log base b of, say, x over y, whenever you have a fraction, it turns into log base b of x minus log base b of y. So it's just like the log of the top part minus the log of the bottom part. The thing is, there's no numbers in front of these logs. Here we have numbers. So before we do anything, we have to use the power rule, which basically says you take these numbers and you just bring them upstairs. So like this. This will be log base m of a squared. You just take it and bring it up. Boom. Minus log base m of... Now here's the thing. When you take this 3 and you bring it up, you're basically going to get b squared cubed. A little bit tricky, right? Because remember, this is in parentheses. So when you bring it up, it's going to go here, right? So it's going to become the exponent there. Let's go ahead and deal with this. Properties of exponents say that we basically just multiply the 3 and the 2. So let's just rewrite all of this one more time and make that step. So this is log base m of a squared minus log base m of b to the 6. All right. So now we can go ahead and perform the division. This is log base m, right? Using this formula here, it'll be log of the top part, so a squared, divided by the bottom part, so b to the 6. And so that would be the final answer. We've written our logarithms as a single expression whose coefficient is 1. I hope this video has been helpful.